Hello there, Glenys Trinder here again with part 3, the third phase of manifesting with the moon. And this phase is called the first quarter, and it's when the moon appears to look like a half moon. And it takes place between 7 and it goes on until maybe 10 and a half days after the new moon. This is a time that you may see challenges coming up. You may need to really get committed again. You could see that you're lacking confidence about it. Maybe there's somewhere that you're not feeling that you can possibly do this. That can come up. Or what also can come up is maybe you're not really in aligned with it. Maybe there's something about this that you really don't want anymore. Don't be afraid to look at it. Make sure that you still absolutely want that, exactly what you've written. If not, tweak it, change it. And if there is something about it that you just feel that you want something better, or you're not completely in aligned with it, it's okay to let it go. This is a stage, in astrological terms, it's called a square, because the sun is just halfway between the moon is halfway between new and full, and that is a right angle that can bring up a lot of issues. You can feel maybe that you're being tested, and it's just a time to see if there are issues coming up about something. Are those issues about your lack of belief in what you want, or do they mean something more? Do they mean that you don't really want this completely and that there's something better? So don't be afraid to look at that. Don't be afraid to change it. Don't be afraid to take out those intentions and write new ones that feel better aligned, and put those there and really say those out loud, and know that you still have time to do this. You still have time to get in touch with this. This phase of the moon is still growing, and it's still growing until the full moon and several days after that. So just feel those intentions towards what you want. Make sure at this stage that you let go of your ego. Does your ego want this? Do you want it for you? Does your soul want this? Or is there somewhere that your mind, your ego, is thinking that this is what you want? So reread the intentions, re-feel them, re-visualize them, re-imagine that they've already happened, and feel those feelings. And if you want to continue, keep working, keep focusing on that end result.